Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a glitter vase DIY. So for this DIY, first you'll need to get your glass vases. These are the vases that I'll be using. Next you'll need to get some white glue paste. You'll need a sponge paintbrush, a disposable plastic cup, some glitter, and some garden ribbon. So first I'm just going to pour the glue into the disposable plastic cup. Just going to empty the entire thing of glue into the cup. Alright, so I did 3 so far, but now I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did. So I just take the paintbrush and I just dip it in the glue and I just paint the vase. I'm just painting it where I want the glitter to cover the glass vase. I'm just going to go all around the vase. So now I'm just going to take my glitter and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the vase, making sure that I cover all the glue. And you want to make sure that you have something to catch the glitter because you don't want to get this everywhere. And I'm just using an aluminum foil pan that I got from my local Dollar Tree. Okay, so for these next two, I'm actually going to take some clear tape and I'm going to wrap it around the vase and just section off the parts that I don't want to get any glitter or glue on. So next I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to brush it on the sections where I don't have any tape. So now I'm just going to take my glitter and I'm just going to sprinkle it on top of the vase, making sure that I cover all that glue. So once I make sure I cover all the glue with glitter, I'm just going to put my vase to the side and let it dry. And then I'll go back in later after about maybe an hour or so and I'll peel the tape off. And that's it.